Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Zoom for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar you can simply type in Zoom and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Download the Zoom Workplace app. If you've already downloaded the Zoom Workplace app, you can skip to step number 2. Open the app drawer on your device and then in the search bar simply search for Zoom. Open the Zoom app. Here you have got 3 options: sign in, sign up, or join a meeting. If you're in a hurry and do not have time to create a profile, you can simply tap join a meeting, in which you'll have to enter your meeting ID and make sure that do not connect to audio and turn off my video are turned off if you need audio and video for the meeting. But if you want to create your own Zoom meetings, then you'll have to hit sign up if you do not already have an account. Here you can either enter, here you must verify your age, hit continue. Here you must verify your age, in which you'll have to enter your date and then hit continue. Here you must verify your age, in which you'll have to enter your year of birth and then hit continue. Here you can continue with Google, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, or continue with your email. After entering your email, you'll have to follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. If you already have an account, you can simply hit sign in which case you can also sign in with your Google, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, or SSO. Or you can enter your email and phone number, hit next, and enter your password to sign into your account, after which you'll be able to create meetings. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.